Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. So glad to see so many of you here today. Hope you're going to enjoy the video we're going to share with you. This is Jarrett's house. This is my granddaughter's brother that we were talking about in Tea Tuesday. Jenny wanted to share with me how Jarrett has decorated his house so beautifully. He has these creepy clowns that run across the whole front of the property, and this is going to be a creepy clown theme. So be prepared for creepy clowns. And this one here is pretty frightening. Look at those teeth. You don't want to get too close to him. Oh no, don't get too close. He's pretty scary. Here's some other ones. As you can see, they're in orange, green, and purple. And each one is a little different by the color of their hair. And of course, the purple one was the most frightening of the three. Just looking at those teeth scared me. Well, they all look a little creepy, so be prepared for creepy clowns across this front lawn. And the Halloween lights were beautiful too. I can't wait to share with you tomorrow night how nice this is all going to look lit up. I don't know how many trick-or-treaters there are going to get here with so many scary things. And here is some more Halloween decor. This little gesture is in the palm tree. Isn't he cute and evil at the same time? I don't know what to say about him. And there was not just him. They had them scattered all about the front lawn. Here's some more palm trees, and here's some more fun little guys, as you can see. And they look like they want to wrap their arms around you and strangle you. They do look a little evil, don't they? Can't wait to see that palm tree all lit up tomorrow night. If that wasn't enough, there is creepy clowns that run across the whole flower bed, as you can see, with Halloween lights. And they're everywhere, ready to pop out of those bushes and scare you tonight or tomorrow night. I don't know if they're going to have any trick-or-treaters brave enough to come across this lawn with all these creepy clowns ready to jump out at them. And then we had the Jack-in-the-Box. This Jack-in-the-Box is taller than the garage. It is so big. And look at his little face. And look at that big evil smile of his. He's pretty terrifying too. And look how those eyes look at you and those arms reaching out to want to grab you. Don't get too close to him either. I don't know if he's a friendly Jack-in-the-Box or not. He doesn't look too friendly, does he? Looks a little bit on the scary side. And Jarrett did an awesome job decorating the whole garage door. Beautifully done across the whole front. And of course, we have some more little creepy clowns. And he's decorated even the lights. Now this one, as you can tell, is taller than the garage. And he looks like he's ready to sneak up on us if we don't beware. Please, please watch where you walk. And then we have this witch. I'm not quite sure what she's cooking up in that pot. I'm a little afraid of her. Look at that face. She doesn't look too kindly, does she? Oh my gosh, more creepy clowns. And here's a creepy clown baby. Oh my gosh, I'm getting scared. How about you? Ah, look, a foot. I can't believe it, but where's the body? Oh, more creepy clowns. Oh, I'm getting so scared. This one alone would terrify me. I'm going to have nightmares from this one. Is he scaring you? He's scaring me. Oh, I just realized it. Maybe that foot is for the witch's pot for some potion she's trying to cook up. She looks evil. Let's move on to something more pleasant to look at. The front door is beautifully decorated for Halloween, is it not? Just love the beautiful fall wreath put together with all the white pumpkins. Then we're going to work our way around to the front. See the beautiful welcome sign and how beautiful all of the plants and lush area is. This is a beautiful seating area they put together in the front of their house. To sit down here and see, you can rest in the shade. But don't beware. Look what's coming our way. I'm getting scared again. Look at those hands reaching out. They're really terrifying. I don't know what to say. Stay away, stay away. Do the grandchildren get scared by this?
It's not her favorite place to come, huh?
Look at those claws reaching out. I don't know what to say. He's pretty scary. The only thing good about this is right next to this wonderful, scary scarecrow, there's a beautiful pond. Hearing the waters trickling down, how nice it is. Oh, it was a beautiful seating area. It's a shame too many frightening things next to it. Well, we'll have to pray that I make it through this Halloween creepy clown terrifying video. The music is helping to relax me, so maybe I'll be fine. Look at the little bird bath too. Isn't it pretty? All the ferns and succulents all about. Really enjoy it. And of course, the beautiful seating area. So comfortable, is it not? Really enjoyed being out here. It's a wonderful place to relax. But you do have to be careful where you look. There's skeletons all about. And this little dog seems very happy with its big mouth wide open with a big smile. Oh my gosh. Very happy to see me, it looks like. Luckily, I have some beautiful succulents to look at to calm me back down from all the fear I'm seeing. Skeletons, big hands, and evil faces everywhere about me. Let's go in the house and see if it's any more cheerful in there. Well, let's open that door and go right in and see what we can see. Well, we do have a beautiful staircase. Still looks like the theme is going in the house like out in the yard. Lots of ghosts going up the staircase. Lots of beautiful Christmas, Halloween lights and Halloween and fall decor about. Looks like we have some skeleton there on the staircase and looks a little wild with the green hair, isn't it? Everything looked beautiful. If I can just stay away from the spider webs and the banister, don't know if I want to see more skulls. But they do have a big smile and they do light up. Oh my gosh. There is a lot of color. Oh well, I don't know what else to say. There's so much to see. And look at those piercing green lights coming out of his eyes. Please look away. Don't want you to be hypnotized by them. And then, as you see, she's cleaning the house. She has her broom ready to sweep down the staircase. Oh well, a wonderful, wonderful video, don't you think? Jarrett did a great job decorating the house. And look at the great job of the fireplace. Oh my gosh, wasn't it wonderful? Loved all the beautiful lights. Jarrett's sister is going to turn on the lights for us. And this isn't Jenny, this is Jenny's sister. Didn't she do a great job lighting it up? Oh my gosh, the fireplace turned out so pretty. What did you think? Let me know.